Hey there, this is Jamie Daniel at Local CRO. I wanted to connect with you really quickly today. I got about 5 minutes. Today I'm going to cover for the Local CRO what we call the 4-step hook copy structure. It is something that is super powerful in writing an advertisement or a Facebook post or anything that's content related, a video script, a live video script, a TikTok script, something for anything video or audio or text, okay? So I'm going to open up this really quick right here. It's called 4-step hook copy structure. Okay, so it starts with a hook, then a story, then a bridge, then a call to action. Okay, so to do this really quickly, I'm just gonna kind of off the cuff whim it for a some kind of brand of some sort. So I'm gonna try to do this quickly enough so I can get it in the video. But basically, the foundation is you want to hook your customer into watching your video or reading what you're saying or listening to what you're saying very fast. So usually you start with a question or an abrupt statement that kind of catches people's attention using humor or something kind of inquisitive or something kind of useful or valuable. The next part, the story, is you literally just tell a story. You can be as creative or as factual, dry, super funny. However the brand voice is, whatever the brand tone, the brand voice, how you communicate online with the brand, whatever that is, you plug that in here into the story so that the brand voice is communicated through the story. The third part is the bridge, and this is where you bridge the story to the call to action. The call to action later would be like, sign up today for such and such, or buy now, or visit our website at blah, 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 blah.com. Whatever your call to action is at the end, the bridge helps bring your story and what you want them to do together. All right. So last night I kind of wrote a funny Best Buy script using the 4-step hook copy structure. And well, this is one I did for AAA, so I'm going to read it really quickly, and then I'll plug in each 4 parts, all right? It says, have you ever felt scared running out of gas on the highway? It was 2 a.m. and I found myself on the side of the interstate pooping in a plastic Winn-Dixie bag. I was scared. It was cold. It was nearly pitch black dark. I heard frightening rustles behind me in the trees. Or was it beside me in the bushes? I couldn't tell. I wanted to laugh it off, but couldn't seem to keep my mood elevated long enough to pretend it was funny. I was alone and I was uncomfortable. Luckily, I had what every driver in that scary situation needs on their side, AAA. AAA is the longest standing driver rescue service on earth. When you are out of gas or when your car randomly shuts down on the side of the highway, don't forget your AAA card is right there in your wallet, ready to give you access to those helpful AAA heroes on standby. Sign up today to get yours in the mail this week. Oh, and please take my advice. Don't forget your grocery bags either. Sign up today. So I kind of rushed it, but I'm going to go back through here and I'm going to show you exactly where I put those 4 parts of this copy structure in place, okay? So here's the hook. Here's the story. It's not a real story, by the way. Maybe it is. And then where I start to bridge it, the story to the call to action, I believe, yeah, it's right here. I start to transition to this call to action, which is right here. Okay, so the hook. Have you ever felt scared running out of gas on the highway? Okay, then we have that story. I was cold and I was uncomfortable. Then the bridge. Luckily, I had what every driver in that scary situation needs on their side. Sign up today to get yours in the mail. Okay, so you can use this in a post, in a radio copy ad, in a video copy ad, where you just read the script. You can get a teleprompter app for your phone. So once you have this, you can literally hold up your phone and read it, as talking to the phone or to a live video. So if you have questions, drop them in the comments. Let me see what they are, and let me see if you find this useful. Thanks.